Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to unbox my new Redmi 21.45 inch monitor. As you can see on the table now, I got the box of the monitor. Okay, so now let's take it out from the box. Okay, so inside you will get the monitor stand, some cable, some screws, power adapter, connection, and nothing else inside the box. Okay, the monitor here. This one does it. Okay, so all we got is the power adapter, HDMI, some screw, the screwdriver, and this one I don't know what it's called, but it's some kind of screw, monitor stand, and this one connect to the monitor stand, and the monitor here. Okay, so let's check out our monitor. So I need to input. Okay, so when install the monitor, you need to input it like this to protect the screen of the monitor on the. So you need to input the monitor on the box, and with this package to protect the screen. Okay, and then you can just screw your monitor stand here. Okay, now let's check out the connection of our monitor. We got HDMI, the VGA connection, and the power supply here. You can use with the power adapter with the type connection like this, and you can see more detail about the spec of the power adapter. You can see the logo Xiaomi here. Okay, now let's connect the monitor stand. You can just connect this one to this one, and you can see here the two screw hole here. Just screw it. Okay, and let's check out. We got some screw. Okay, so this 4 screw for you to input to that. Is this the purpose that you can mount your monitor to the wall? Okay, so if you no need to mount your monitor to the wall, so this screw just keep it for your next time if you want to use it for mounting the monitor to the wall. And we got another 4 screw tool. You can input it to this location and connect with this tool, and another tool you need to input it to the downside of your monitor and screw it to off here. Okay, now let's screw it. You can see here, so just put it like this to make easy for your access to the screw, and put it. Okay, now it's okay, now let's screw another two. Okay, now let's finish the installation and we will input the power supply. Okay, so the power supply length is about this meter, and we just connect, input it to the back of the monitor. Okay, and after that you will see the Redmi logo show up. Okay, so okay, now so that's it. That is all for today's video of the unboxing the Redmi 21.45 inch and the first time installation it. And if you have any question, please let me know in the comment box. And now thanks for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.